As the sun rises, the factory comes alive. This is where chemistry meets precision engineering, an ecosystem built to produce millions of bottles with absolute consistency. Before a single drop is bottled, the plant's backbone begins its work. Water purification systems, high-pressure compressed air, and controlled power networks prepare the environment for production. Everything starts with water. Incoming water is measured, filtered, and stabilized. Its flow rate, pressure, and temperature precisely monitored before purification begins. Multi-stage filtration removes minerals, particles, and microorganisms. Reverse osmosis and UV sterilization ensure purity, because consistency and taste begins with molecular control. With systems online, the plant transitions from silence to motion. Every motor, sensor, and valve is synchronized, setting the stage for production at scale. Water is not simply cleaned here, it is engineered. Every bottle begins with water refined to exacting standards. First, physical impurities are removed. Screens and sediment filters capture sand, rust, and organic debris, protecting downstream systems from wear and contamination. Water passes through layers of sand and activated carbon. Here, chlorine, odors, and dissolved organic compounds are absorbed, refining both clarity and taste. Reverse osmosis applies immense pressure, forcing water through semi-permeable membranes. Dissolved salts, metals, and microscopic contaminants are rejected, leaving only purified H2O. Ultraviolet light neutralizes remaining microorganisms, disrupting DNA at the cellular level without altering water chemistry. Purity alone is not enough. Minerals are reintroduced in precise ratios, balancing mouthfeel and ensuring every sip tastes exactly the same anywhere in the world. Now stabilized and verified, purified water is stored in sealed tanks, ready to meet flavor. Purity is only the beginning. Now, science moves from cleansing to creation. This is the syrup room, sealed, monitored, and calibrated. A space where precision protects one of the most guarded formulas in the world. Sweeteners are measured by weight, not volume. Load cells and automated dosing systems ensure accuracy down to the gram, batch after batch. Inside these tanks, high-shear mixers dissolve ingredients uniformly, preventing crystallization and ensuring complete molecular integration. Temperature is tightly controlled. Heat exchangers maintain optimal viscosity, allowing the syrup to flow, mix, and store without separation. Before leaving the room, the syrup is filtered, removing any undissolved particles to achieve a perfectly smooth concentrate. Finished syrup is stored under controlled pressure and atmosphere, its composition locked, its quality preserved. Carbonation is not just bubbles, it is controlled physics. This is where a still liquid gains life. Before carbonation, temperature is reduced. Cold water absorbs carbon dioxide more efficiently, an application of Henry's law. Carbon dioxide arrives in liquid form. Pressure regulators convert it into controlled gas flow, ready for precise injection. CO2 is injected through microporous diffusers, creating millions of tiny bubbles that dissolve into the liquid under pressure. Carbonated water meets syrup inside sealed vessels. Pressure is maintained to prevent gas escape, locking carbonation into the drink. Inline sensors measure dissolved CO2 in real time. Any deviation is corrected instantly, ensuring consistent fizz in every bottle. Carbonation complete. The beverage is alive, pressurized, balanced, and ready to be sealed. This is where chemistry meets speed. Thousands of bottles move every hour, each one filled, sealed, and protected with millisecond precision. Before filling, bottles are aligned, inspected, and air rinsed. High-pressure sterile air removes dust and particles without introducing moisture. Filling occurs under equalized pressure. Isobaric valves prevent carbon dioxide from escaping, preserving carbonation and eliminating foam. Laser sensors verify fill height instantly. Any deviation is detected and rejected. Quality never slows down. Caps are applied at controlled torque. This seal locks in pressure, protecting carbonation until the moment it's opened. Each bottle is tested for seal integrity. Pressure stability confirms safety and freshness. Sealed and pressurized, the bottles move forward, ready to receive their identity. Sealing is verified before branding begins. Torque sensors and vision systems confirm that every cap is locked, secure, and intact. Here, each bottle receives its identity. applied at extraordinary speed, without error. Labels are applied using synchronized rotation. Adhesives are temperature-controlled, ensuring perfect alignment and long-term adhesion. For select formats, heat shrink sleeves are activated, using controlled heat to form a flawless, tamper-resistant finish. Vision systems verify print accuracy, date codes, barcodes, and alignment. Anything imperfect is instantly removed. Before packing, bottles are dried. Clean surfaces ensure packaging integrity and visual perfection. Sealed, labeled, and verified. The product is now ready to travel. Before any bottle leaves the plant, it must prove itself. This is where promises are verified. Samples are taken directly from production, randomized, traceable, and untouched by bias. Carbonation is measured in volumes of CO2. Pressure and gas release are analyzed to confirm consistency. Sugar concentration, acidity, and density are tested. These numbers define flavor, down to decimal precision. Microbial tests confirm what filtration and sterilization promise. Absolute safety. Cameras detect defects invisible to the human eye. Shape, clarity, and seal integrity. Every test is logged. Every batch is certified. Only then is release approved. Production may end at the bottle, but the journey begins here. Bottles are grouped by format and count. Robotics ensure uniformity, protecting products during transport. Heat shrink film responds to temperature, contracting evenly to lock each pack together. Pallets are built for stability. Algorithms optimize stacking patterns, maximizing strength and transport efficiency. Stretch wrap applies controlled tension, securing loads without crushing contents. Each pallet is tracked digitally, its location, batch, and destination known at all times. From factory floor to delivery fleet, the product moves with purpose. As the day ends, the systems continue, quietly, precisely, without pause. Every valve, sensor, and conveyor has played its part, each calibrated for one purpose: consistency. Behind the scenes, data guides every decision. Automation ensures repeatability. Science replaces guesswork. From raw materials to finished product, every step is verified. Every bottle, ready. This is not just a drink. It is the result of engineering, chemistry, and precision, captured in a single bottle.